Hi all, it's Bevs. I'm excited to share with you my go-to recipe for pork afritada. Before we begin, let's take a look at the ingredients listed on the screen. I must admit, there is often confusion between afritada and caldereta, but for today's recipe, we'll be making pork afritada, a delicious Filipino tomato-based stew. It features tender cubed pork, potatoes, carrots, tomato sauce, and a touch of liver spread. For the pork, slice it into 1-inch cubes. By the way, some recipes include hot dogs, but we won't be using them this time. Let's get started. Heat some oil in a cooking pot. Then, saute the potatoes. As you can see, we didn't peel the potatoes because we prefer them that way. Cook them for about 8 minutes, turning frequently until they become golden and crispy. Set them aside. Next, do the same with the carrots, sauteing them until they are nicely browned. Sauteing the vegetables first ensures they are fully cooked before serving, especially since they are quartered. Now, let's save the oil because we'll be using it to saute the garlic and the onions. Adding generous amount of spices is one of the secrets to delicious cooking. Add the garlic, the onions. Saute until it becomes translucent. Add in 1 kilo of pork and mix it until its color changes to white. Season with salt and pepper. Cover it for 3 minutes to allow the salt to draw out some of the internal moisture from the meat. Once it starts to boil, add the pork cubes, tomato sauce, and the juice of the canned pineapple. We would normally use pineapple chunks, but since we couldn't find them at the market, we'll be using pineapple slices instead. Stir it well and let it boil. Now that it's boiling, it's time to add the pineapple slices and the green peas. If you prefer to add hot dog, this is the best time to add them. Add in the pork and beans, and of course, the liver spread. Mix everything well. Add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, making sure it's thoroughly mixed in. Next, let's add the vegetables. On low heat, add the bell peppers, as well as the sauteed potatoes and carrots. Mix it well. Afterwards, cover the pot and let it simmer for around 8 minutes. And there you have it. Our delicious pork afritada is now ready to be enjoyed. Remember, the cooking time for this dish with 1 kilo of pork is approximately 55 minutes. I assure you, the pork is so tender.
Lamig kayo, ha?
Thanks for joining me today and happy cooking! Don't forget to like and subscribe!